Most people get this wrong. They assume all personal loans are the same. But the surprising truth about Capital One personal loans is that they combine competitive rates with a flexible online experience, making them a strong option for many borrowers. Capital One offers personal loans that range from $1,000 up to $50,000 with fixed interest rates and terms typically between 12 and 60 months. One of the biggest advantages is the transparent application process. You can check if you pre-qualify in minutes without affecting your credit score, which is great for comparing rates safely. From my experience using a Capital One personal loan, the approval process was fast. Once approved, funds were typically deposited within a few business days. The online dashboard is intuitive, allowing you to view your balance, make payments, and track your payoff progress easily. Another surprising benefit is the flexibility with payments. Capital One allows you to set up auto pay, and making extra payments toward the principal is straightforward, helping you save on interest over time. However, there are no direct options for deferring payments, so it's important to plan your budget accordingly. One thing to keep in mind is that rates are largely determined by your credit profile. Borrowers with excellent credit can secure rates in the mid-single digits, while those with lower credit scores may face higher rates. It's worth pre-qualifying to see your personalized options. In conclusion, Capital One personal loans are ideal for those looking for a transparent, user-friendly online lending experience with competitive rates and flexible repayment options. Whether you're consolidating debt, covering a large expense, or funding a project, this loan option is worth considering. Subscribe for more honest reviews of financial products that help you make smarter money decisions.